Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at a budget-oriented smartphone from the brand Nokia. This is the Nokia 2.1 and this is powered by Android Go. Well, before unboxing, let me give you an overview of the box itself. So on the front we have an illustration of the phone itself, Nokia 2.1 branding, Nokia branding, Android logo. On the bottom of the packet here we have the price mentioned as 7688, that's approximately 7600 rupees, but this is available for 6999 on online retailers like Flipkart and Amazon. I got this from Flipkart. I'm not very sure about Amazon. I'll leave links in the description if you're interested. It has a 5.5-inch HD display, 4000 mAh battery, dual stereo speakers, 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera, and comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor, which is clocked at 1.4 GHz, which is basically the Cortex A53 cores. So I've already unboxed it once. I'll show you the box contents. So this is here is the phone itself. So I have this in blue color, blue sort of, and this is rose gold, blue and rose gold color. We'll keep it to the side and we'll take a look at what else do we have inside the box. So here we have some manuals. So first up we have Nokia Mobile Care user guide. We also have product and safety information, how to insert the SIM card and memory card and whatnot. This is a get started, so basically a quick start guide. Let's see what else do we have. We have a micro USB cable. We have a micro USB cable here, as you can see for yourself. We also have a pair of headset. This is a pair of earphones, pretty standard ones, plastic, not the best build quality. They also have a microphone here, and we also have our wall adapter. So let's see the rating here. This is basically 5 volts 2 amperes. So this is a 10-watt charger, which is a great thing. I recently also unboxed the Redmi 6 and the Redmi 6A, which came with a 5-watt charger. So in that regard and in that comparison, this is really great as it comes with a 10-watt charger. We'll keep all these things to the side and we'll take a closer look at the phone itself. So here is the Nokia 2.1. So this is the 5.5 inches 720p display, that's 1280 by 720. I'll give you an overview of the phone itself first. On the bottom here we have our micro USB port. On the front here we have our 5.5 and 720p display, our front facing speakers, stereo speakers, which is like something really great at this price point. We also have our front camera, which is a 5 megapixel sensor. On the right hand side we have our volume rockers and the power lock and unlock button. On the left hand side we have nothing, and on the top we have our headphone jack, and on the back we have our 8 megapixel primary camera along with an LED flash and a microphone hole and the Nokia branding. So surprisingly enough, this has a removable back, so we'll do so now and we'll see. So the back comes off, as you can see. However, the 4000 mAh battery is not removable. So as you can see, I've already inserted my SIM card here, SIM 1 and SIM 2. It has dual SIM cards and also supports a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. In my case, I have inserted a 32 gigabyte SanDisk card. Well, let's close it and let's take a closer look at the software experience which we get with stock Android One, Android Go. So this is how it looks. Let's go into settings and look at the Android version and everything. Go to the system, we'll go into about phone. As you can see, Android version is 8.1.0, which is Android Oreo. As far as the RAM is concerned and the storage, it comes with 8 gigabytes of internal storage and has 1 gigabyte of RAM. It may seem that the amount of RAM and the internal storage is less, and actually it is. I'll agree with that point. However, as you can see, total, let's see the internal storage. I have installed some apps, so it's showing that 4 GB is used. By default, around 3 GB was used and about 5 GB was available to the user. And given that it has 1 gigabyte of RAM, I don't really expect it to perform really well in multitasking and everything, because at the end of the day, it's a budget oriented smartphone from Nokia. which comes with Android Go, which is meant for handsets with lower capabilities in terms of the processor and RAM and whatnots. I took a couple of pictures around my house, so let's take a closer look at the camera samples. As you can see, this was taken in moderate lighting. So the photo is decent, it's not bad, the colors are really good, but then it was not able to focus very well and the photo is a bit grainy overall. Here again I took this photo in sunlight. This photo is actually nice. Here I took a selfie from the front facing 5 megapixel camera. As you can see, the photo is kind of washed out on the edges, but I guess it's fine for the price. But then if I compare it to the Redmi 6 and 6A, probably it kind of falls short. I took this photo to check out the bokeh which it can generate with the back facing camera. The bokeh here is decent enough, but then as you can see, the subject is not in focus. So well guys, that was it about this video. It was a quick unboxing and a hands-on look at the Nokia 2.1 smartphone. I'll be making a full review of this device after using it for a couple of days. I've already set it up, I already have my SIM cards and everything inside it. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. Links to all of them are in the description. If you have any doubts about this smartphone, do leave them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to answer them. And if you're interested in buying this device, do check out the link in the description, as it does help the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.